Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 147 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And today is September the 20th of 2025. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. And we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay. Or we're going to see where we are at the end of the year. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and where we came from and where we are right now. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Day number 147, guys. All right. Let's go over here to the My Legion Secret system. My Legion Secret, if you don't know what it is, My Legion Secret is an email service, okay, that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, depending on how many accounts that you have. All right, so what determines the two? Like I said, it's going to be if you have multiple accounts. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself. I have multiple accounts. I have 8 different My Legion secret accounts. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you will get. So if you have more than one, you're going to receive 200 leads on one of those accounts. Okay. Now, if you have three, two of those you'll have 200 leads, but one of them is going to have 100 leads at the last account that you have. And how you get 200 across the board is you get someone to sign up underneath your last account. All right. So that's kind of what you would need to do to get those multiple accounts. Is what you're going to do is sign up under yourself. Okay. And once you sign up under yourself, you can basically stack your accounts on top of each other. Okay. So like I said, a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service, guys. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And I would recommend you guys getting started. All right. So, just a little bit about it. What this system is, you're going to come in pretty much every single day. You can come in and send out an email, okay, that's related to making money online. All right. This traffic that these subscribers that are coming onto this list, these are business opportunity subscribers. Okay. Business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people care about making money. So if you actually send out an email, that's not related to making money, okay, you may not get, a lot of visitors or a lot of clicks, or just no one looking at your email at all. Okay. So it has to have something to do with making money online or showing someone how to do it. Okay. That responds the best. Okay. So the places that we're going to be using for this challenge is going to be a place called ClickBank. Now you can actually go use other networks as well. There's Warrior Plus. There's Max Bounty. There's Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of CPA networks out there that you can go to and you can use because a lot of those networks have business opportunity offers. Okay. So you can pretty much grab those offers and you can create an email, and you send it out to this list. Okay. That you build up. All right. So there's going to be two ways that you're going to be able to make money with this My Legion secret system. Okay. Number one, is going to be to promote the My Legion secret system itself. Okay. So if you want to just promote My Legion secrets to the list that you have, to its own list, okay, you can do that and you will see results, guys. Okay. And you will get sales from that. All right. So if you go over here to affiliates, I'm just going to show you. And right here where it says promo tools, you just want to make sure you're under that tab and you want to come down here and you're going to see these pre-written emails right here. Okay. Email number one, email number two, and so on and so on. And then all you have to do is just click on import affiliate email. And what it's going to do is going to import this into the list so you can get ready to send this email out. All right. So that's pretty much how you make money with My Legion Secrets. And you have some emails that you can use to kind of jumpstart and get started. Okay. So, pick one of these emails and click on it, and then it'll take you to the mailing system. And then the mailing system is going to already be loaded. And then all you got to do is click on perfect timing, which is right here. If it's going to load up right here, guys, and you just click on perfect timing right there. Okay. So that's pretty much all you have to do. And then you click on send. Okay. So that's one way to earn income with My Legion Secret. The other way is going to be that you're going to use a third party affiliate network. Okay. And that's where, these networks come in, like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or something like that. All right. So for the reason why we're promoting ClickBank offers is because I've noticed from testing that ClickBank offers respond the best to this traffic. Okay. I mean, the offers, they like ClickBank offers. Okay. These people do. So that's why we're kind of using ClickBank, because they have really good offers and they work well with this system. That's why we're using it. Okay. But you don't have to. Okay. So, what you would do to send out an email, there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Number one is to write the email yourself. Okay. Grab the affiliate link from wherever the offer that you're promoting. And then you would insert that link into your email. Number two is you can use an email AI service, or you can use Chat GPT or something like that, some kind of AI service to create your emails for you. Okay. And that's really good. And you can insert your affiliate links in those emails. And then the third way is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. So on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section, business opportunity section, pretty much, they have free email swipes. Okay. So they have about 20 different emails that you can use. And pretty much what you would do is just go down the row on each and every line and just submit each and every email all the way up to 20 and just send all those emails. Okay. And then once you get down to number 20, just start back at one and you can just start rinsing and repeat all 20 of those emails, and you can just send them over and over and over again. Okay. And then also, eventually what you can do is repurpose those emails using AI if you want to. But I would start there. I would start with the free email swipes first. And then once you get the hang of sending those emails out, then kind of jump into some AI stuff and just repurpose those emails and just rewrite them or something like that. Okay. To make them different. All right. So those are going to be the three main ways that you're going to send out emails. And then I did show you the two ways that you're going to make money with this program. Okay. So what you would pretty much do is you would go to your mailing system, which is going to be right here. And then you would just click on select all right here. It's going to just transfer all of your leads over. So that way you can send out one email and it's going to go out to all of those people. Okay. So pretty much what you would do is you would come down here, you create a subject line, and then you come down here and you create an email. Okay. So, and it's pretty easy, guys. So all you would pretty much do is, you could come up with something if you were just writing the email. Okay. Customer service reps needed, and then you could put $50 an hour, whatever. But let's just put $30 an hour, $30 an hour. Um, $30 an hour, no experience needed, right? No experience. Let's go ahead and capitalize that. Right. And then right here, you can address you always want to probably put the customer's name in the email that way, I mean, in the title, so that way it gets their attention. So right here, you'll be addressing your prospect by their first name. So this one just says, customer service reps needed, $30 an hour, no experience needed, Jermaine, or whatever the customer's name is. Okay. And then you would just pretty much come down here and you would just create an email, right? Or like I said, you can copy and paste those free email swipes over, but I'm just trying to give you an idea, on what it would look like, hiring now, right? And then you can just go into whatever email that you want to write, okay? And that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. So let me just show you real quick. Let me go back here to the home screen, and then like we can just pick one of these emails. So if you go right here, let's just say, for instance, here's an email that has already been made. And then what you would do is the prospect is going to click there and it's going to take them to your affiliate page. Okay. And then your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So super easy to do, guys. That's how you do it. If you need a step-by-step walkthrough, go back and watch my previous videos. In the beginning, I go into detail on how to send out an email starting from scratch. Taking an offer, going to the offer, grabbing the email swipes, pasting it over. I show you that step by step. Okay. But so go back if you have any issues writing those emails or understanding on how to copy and paste emails and transfer them over here. Just go back and watch those videos that I had put out before. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. If you forgot everything that I just said, just rewind this video, guys. You can kind of go back to it. All right. Now, last night we did send out some emails. Last night, at around this time every night, guys, I come in and I send out all my emails every day. Okay, I don't miss days. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over here. I don't like to miss days. Let's just put it like that. Today is let me go ahead and log back in, and I do got multiple accounts, guys. So let's see here. Let me just log back in real quick. I do got multiple accounts, guys. So this account that I have is strictly just for you guys. I'm just showing you what it would look like for you if you were to get started. Okay. And what I like to do is do the last 30 days. That way you can kind of see the algorithm and what to expect. Okay. So if you come down here, guys, as you can see, these are the sales from the last 30 days. Okay. You can see the algorithm. Okay. Right here, there's a larger gap. Because, like I said, if you guys been watching these videos, I was out of town. I was in Nebraska helping my daughter move in from college. And then once I got back, okay, I started to, get back on these videos and get back on my emails. And as you can see, it picked up right back here. Okay. So this is right here, guys, is the real algorithm. Okay. So as you can see, okay, we have been getting sales every day, right? Or every other day or every 2 days. Okay. We have not went, excuse me, guys. Um, we have not went more than 2 days without a sale. Okay. That's been the algorithm. The algorithm has been either a day or 2 days without a sale. Okay. Which is really good. Okay. Because in the beginning, we may have gotten a sale right here and then one maybe 7 days later, you know, one every 6 days, and it started to come down. The more and more we sent out emails, those sales got closer and closer and closer together. Okay. So you may get one a week, one every 6 days, one every 5 days, and so on. Okay. And now it got down to a point where we're getting them every day or every other day. Okay. And then if not every other day, it could be every, 2 days. You can go 2 days without it. But then as you can see, we're getting them back to back right here. We missed 2 days. We got them back to back right here. We missed a day. We got them back right here. Like, so the algorithm, guys, is, these sales are starting to get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. And that's what we want. Okay. Eventually, we're only in month number 5 of this challenge. So we're not even halfway there yet, guys. So once we get halfway there, um, then you're going to start seeing more sales, come in. Okay, we're going to start seeing them straight across here. Okay, eventually. Okay, not right now, but eventually. And guys, this is all a numbers game. If you come in and you just, you send out enough traffic, you got enough accounts, it's just, and like I said, it's just the numbers game. The more people you get looking at your offer, the more opportunity that you're going to have to get them subscribed and get them working and get them, joining your team. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is just the algorithm for the last 30 days. So that way you can kind of see what to expect if you were to get started. Okay. So today is, like I said, the 20th. We did get a sale today. We got a sale yesterday and the day before. Okay, so we went 3 days right here getting a sale. Now, I want to check something because I kind of look back a few days to see if we got any free trial sales. The thing about this offer that we're promoting, it's a free trial offer. So once someone signs up for a free trial, they get billed in 3 days. Okay, for the program. Okay. So I believe that we did get a sale a couple days ago or a few days ago. I may have to go back and watch those videos. And I'm thinking that we might end up getting a sale tomorrow, which will make 4 days in a row that we got a sale. And that's going to be exciting because what that's telling me is that there is a new milestone coming. Okay. So we're going to start seeing these sales maybe 4 or 5 days. And then we may miss a day and then be back on another 4 or 5 days. And then eventually it's going to be 7 days, 6, 7 days, right? Going with sales. And that's what we want, guys. So it's going to start getting exciting, guys. The more and more we send out emails, we're going to do it. Okay. As we get to halfway into this thing, you're going to start seeing these sales get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. And eventually we're going to have those, $40 days, right? $60 days, $80 days, $100 days. Okay, eventually. Okay, so we just have to put in the work to get there. Okay, and that's what I'm doing. I come in every single day, guys, and I send these emails out. Doesn't matter if I'm tired or if it's an inconvenience for me. I usually make a way to make this happen. Okay, so if you're someone out there looking for extra income, maybe help out with groceries, help out with bills, maybe help with a light bill or a water bill or something like that, something that can help you. Okay, could some extra income help your home, right? I mean, I don't know anyone who couldn't use the extra income, no matter how much money you have. I'm sure you want more, right? So I just wanted to come in and show you guys this. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. Okay. You're not going to get rich with this or anything like that. You can get this thing up to a full time income. I do know that because there's other people doing it. And it's possible. Okay. So you can get this thing up to $1,500 a month, 1,000, $1,500 a month, 1,800, 2,000, $3,000 a month, and even $5,000 a month. Okay, and that's the higher numbers are going to be with multiple accounts. Okay, you're going to have quite a few accounts to be able to start making the money that making a couple racks doing this. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and what's possible for you. But I've sent out my emails tonight. I'm not going to waste the rest of your weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and we'll check the results. Okay, because I'm pretty curious to see if we're going to get a sale tomorrow. So I'm curious to come in here and find out and show you guys. All right, so come back here with me tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll go over numbers and go over some stuff, some cool stuff. All right. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.